Good day, Greenfield Union. Hello, boys and girls. Today's story is coming from our Mayan in Clever. I hope you are going in and accessing and reading your books. Today we are going to read Shapes in the Sky, a book about clouds. Clouds curl across the sky like dragons. They sail above the trees like scoops of vanilla ice cream. Clouds float and fly in all shapes and sizes. When you look at the sky, what shapes do you see the clouds making? What makes a cloud? Clouds are made of trillions of tiny water droplets and ice crystals. These droplets and crystals hang in the air. They are so light that even the smallest breeze can keep them from falling to the earth. Clouds can look like as solid as mountains, but they are as light as smoke. Clouds drift and shift. They stretch across the sky. Winds push the clouds and change their shapes. Cumulus clouds. Scientists have names for the different types of clouds. Cumulus clouds are full and puffy. They are piled up like heaps of whipped cream. They often appear on summer days. Cumulus clouds can make hail or stir up tornadoes. Lightning flashes deep inside them. Thunder rumbles through their thick billows. These clouds are called thunderheads. Cumulus clouds can be as tall as 60,000 feet. That's 18,288 meters. That's twice as tall as the highest mountain. A stratus cloud hangs low in the sky. They hide the tops of hills and tall buildings. Stratus clouds often appear in the winter. They can bring raindrops or flakes of snow. When the cloud rises very high and it reaches cooler air, if the air is cool enough, the water droplets inside the cloud freeze into tiny ice crystals. Trillions of these crystals hang together and form cirrus clouds. Cirrus clouds float high in the air, sometimes above the other clouds. They can look as wispy as feathers. They can curl like lizard tails. Cloudy days are often cooler than clear nights. The clouds keep sunlight from warming the earth. Cloudy nights are warmer than clear nights. As the sun sets, the land and the oceans cool off. The clouds that keep heat near the ground like a giant lid. All the clouds in the sky, some clouds swirl like fog against treetops. Some float above mountains. Some bring thunder and rain. Some sail high in the sky, riding the fastest wind. When you look up, can you see the different types of clouds? What shapes do you see in the sky when you take your next walk? Have a good night, boys and girls. Have a nice rest.